Before now, I used to be one of the happiest persons on earth. My smile is one of the greatest things whose radiance you like to see because I smile gracefully like John Magufuli. I laugh melodiously because despite my stress, my success is certain. But now, I now have a fair share of life. Or shall I say, I've been to a fair where real life is being displayed and it's left me in a dismay. I now listen keenly while trying to escape from my own worries. But this is not the end of life. Dear me, ikú yára jẹ̀sín lọ lóòótọ́, ṣùgbọ́n ayé máa ń yára gbàgbé ẹ̀sìn ju bí wọ́n ti ń gbàgbé olóògbé lọ. Èdùà nìkan ni kì í ṣìṣe. Ẹni ṣẹ aṣẹ̀dá, ọba òkè ò fẹ́ kó kú láì ṣe pé ó ronúpìwàdà. Ẹni tó ṣe adániwáyé, ọba òkè ò fẹ́ kó kú láì ṣe wípé ó tọrọ ìdáríjì. Kí wá ní ká pe tẹni tí ó ṣe àṣìṣe lójú àwọn ènìyàn ẹlẹ́gbin tí wọ́n ń pera wọn légbin bíi tirẹ̀ tó torí rẹ̀ fẹ́ gba èkuru lọ́wọ́ ẹbọra. Ó ṣọ̀wọ́n nínú akíkanjú tí ọjà kì í jẹ. Ọwọ́ bàbá wa Ògúnmọ́lá ni ẹ̀ bá ti béèrè ìdí tí bàbá ṣe ń lá eérú ní Ìjàyè. Ọwọ́ bàbá wa Ògèdèngbé ni ẹ ti lọ béèrè ohun tó fà á tí parí ṣíṣe ń wẹ̀wù ẹ̀jẹ̀ lójú bàbá nìbàdàn. Gaskiya ne, shaho wanda tauki tankasan talaka ya janyo wahala, amma shaho wanda tauki tankaza mai kudi ya ci sadaka. In summary, what causes sensation to the goose is just a sensation to the gander. If you must fall, never fall like a tree that falls and loses its nutrients and leaves just as the wind withers and time passes by it. Rather, bury yourself like a seed and sprout again and grow wonderfully. In no case should you choose suicide as an option because it is never one. One name, Dalu. Kudus Ojikutu is my name. No matter how the life continue to display itself in persistency, we will dare to smile again.